show you the Fleece Cheetah Turbo for 6.7 Cummins. This is a 2018, so for the 13 to 18 Fleece Cheetah, it's got the 63 compressor wheel instead of the stock 59 millimeter compressor wheel, and the exhaust just flows a bit more. You'll notice it more in the top end. Apparently it's supported to like, what is it, 600, 700 horsepower. I'm not making near that, but huge improvement, and I just wanted to give you my kind of thoughts, a couple sound clips, and just a few little tidbits of info on it. If you're wanting to keep the exhaust brake, you don't want to pony up for the second gen swap. That was definitely one. Those Worldly Fab kits are sweet, but for me, I wanted to keep the exhaust brake, not because I tow, but just because I like it. So stick around and see where we go. All right, I'm gonna give you my opinion on the Fleece Cheetah Turbo. This is a 2018, obviously 6.7 Cummins. I like it. It works perfect. It's a great factory upgrade, retaining the factory exhaust brake. If you do towing, I don't. This is just my little grocery getter. I just like diesels, but it operates really good. It has a little bit more top end, and but yeah, this is kind of what they sound like. We'll roll through some gears. Kind of go from there and show you a cold start with it. I'm headed to the car wash because this truck is absolutely filthy. It's hard to keep it clean in wintertime in March, but do a little cold start. Somewhat clean, and it's demon. It'll be filthy by the time I get home. That is 5-inch exhaust turbo back on a factory 2500 airbag truck. It does fit. You just gotta be kind of meticulous with how you route it. And there's a little heat shield by the spare that got a little tweaking, if you can see that, little dent in it. I never liked the red on the badges, so I made them gray. I think the flow of everything just kind of goes better. This works with emissions and tax still. On this truck, I'm also have excuse me, the Banks intake, and then I also have not the horn intake horn. I don't have one of those yet. Keyword yet. And then I also have 5-inch turbo back exhaust, straight, no muffler. The current tune I have on, it's a 5-second delay for the exhaust brake. I find that works the best. It's not as immediate, especially with being manual now. Make sure you fishtail into the back alley. Neighbors know that you are a respectful human being. Gotta love the 5-inch. Love the 5-inch with it. It pairs quite nicely. Like a fine wine. Alright, we're back from the car wash. As you can tell, the truck it was less than an hour ago and the truck's already filthy. Welcome to the winters of Canada. Alright, so got the Banks Ram Air intake, and then down there it's dirty, but that's the Fleece Cheetah. Bolts up onto the factory manifold. This is from the 13 to 18. This is the 2018 truck. It's plug and play. Like, actuator's already calibrated. When I did mine, I did not pull the manifold. I pulled the turbo. I pulled the secondary battery in the fender liner and made it a whole lot easier. It is like putting a puzzle in to get it in there, but bolts in like factory, and you just get a little more pep in the steps. So super pleased with it. I do want to put the Ram Air on there. That's the next mod I guess I want to do. It's not really a mod. I guess you're not really gaining anything, but it looks a lot cleaner and cleans up the engine better. And but yeah,